Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video, I am going to discuss about the last correlative properties. The property is osmotic pressure. Before my previous video, I had discussed about difference in freezing point. Okay friends, now start this section. See this board. In this video, I am going to discuss about the osmotic pressure. First of all, you have to understand the osmotic pressure. First of all, you have to understand those important points that is called as osmosis and diffusion. First of all, you have to understand the definition of the diffusion and osmosis. First of all, diffusion. First of all, what is the definition of the diffusion? Friends, diffusion is the movement of, okay friends, the movement of any substance from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration, that is called as diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of any substance. It means the substance means liquids or solids or gases from their higher region to their lower region, that is called as diffusion. Now you have to understand this diagram. Okay friends, now this is the beaker. Now this beaker is a membrane is present in there. Okay friends, this is the membrane. This is the membrane is present in there. Okay friends, I am represented to the in this side solution, and this is the another solution. I am represented to the this is solution 1, and I am represented to the in this side solution 2. Okay friends, this solution concentration C1 and this is C2. C1 is very high with compared to the C2. Okay friends, now the concentration of the solution is very high with compared to the solution 2. Now what is the definition of the diffusion? The movement of any substance from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. Okay friends, this is the solution 1. This solution 1 is the concentration is depends upon the number of moles of solute. Solution is a solute plus solvent. Solute concentration is very high in this solution. Now in this case, what happens friends? In this side, what happens friends? Solute is excess. But in this side, what happens friends? Solvent is excess. Excess of solvent molecules are present in the solution 2. This side is the excess of solute molecules is present in there. Now what happens friends? Now this is solute and this is the solvent. Okay friends, the concentration is depends upon the only solute. Now this side is the solute molecule concentration is very high. Now this direction, it means this is the higher region to lower region is the solute molecules is movement. Okay friends, but in this side solvent molecules is excess. Now this region is the solvent molecule is the this is the higher concentration of solvent molecule to lower concentration of the solvent molecule. This side, this is the this direction solvent molecules is movement. Okay friends, this is called as diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of, it means the net movement. Okay friends, the net movement of any substance from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration. In case you have to understand the movement of solute molecules from the higher region of this side to lower region of this side. For example, now you have to understand the solvent molecules. This solvent molecule is the in this side. This is the higher concentration of solvent molecules to lower concentration of solvent molecule. It means solution 1 to 2 is the solute is the it means momentum, and this is the solution 2 to solution 1 is the momentum of the solvent. This is called as simple definition of the diffusion. Now what is the definition of the osmosis? Okay friends, this is very important friends. Osmosis, what is the definition of the osmosis? Now we have to understand the same diagram. Okay friends, now we have to understand the same diagram. This diagram is the special membrane is present in there. The membrane is called as semi-permeable membrane. Okay friends, this is called as semi permeable membrane. Okay friends, this is the semi permeable membrane is present in this. Semi permeable membrane means this is the small holes is present in there. Now this is the solution 1 and the solution 2. It means the concentration C1 and C2. C1 is very high and C2. Okay friends, this is the diagram. Okay friends, this is the semi permeable membrane. Friends, one more important point, solution is a solute plus solvent. Okay friends, solute is high concentration, solute is low quantity, solvent is high quantity, that is called a solution. But solute molecule size is very high, size of the solvent molecules is very less. Okay friends, this is the important key point. Now the key point is, for example, you have to consider a water plus sugar. Sugar molecule is the very high size and water is the very low size. Okay friends, in the semi permeable membrane is present in this container. What happens friends? The solute molecule size is very high and solvent molecule size is very less. Okay friends, the important key point is that in this side what happens friends? The diffusion is the movement of the concentration of higher region to lower region. In this case what happens friends? In this side solvent molecules is movement in this higher region to this lower region. It means higher concentration of solvent molecule to lower concentration of solvent molecules. But solute molecules is cannot movement in this direction because of the solute molecule size is very high. Okay friends, in semi permeable membrane is present in there. What happens friends? Only the momentum of the solvent molecules, but do not momentum of the solute molecules. Okay friends, in the semi permeable membrane is present in there. What happens friends? Do not permit solute molecules. Do not permit solute molecules. That is called as semi-permeable membrane. Okay friends, in the semi-permeable membrane is present in there. What happens friends? Solute molecules do not permeate, only permeate in the solvent molecule. That is called as semi-permeable membrane. What happens friends? Now the definition of the osmosis is, this is the solution. Solution is the lower concentration in solution this side, and this is the higher concentration solution. This is the higher concentration solution, this is the lower concentration solution. Finally, what is the definition of the osmosis? Osmosis is the movement of solvent molecules from their higher concentration to their lower concentration in the presence of semi-permeable membrane. Now, in another definition of the osmosis is the movement of solvent molecules from the solution of the lower concentration to the solution of the higher concentration in the presence of semi-permeable membrane, that is called as osmosis. Okay friends, this is the definition of the osmosis, and this is the definition of the diffusion. Diffusion is the both solute and solvent, both molecules are movement in the presence of membrane, but in the semi-permeable membrane is present in there. What happens friends? Only solvent molecules is movement but not solute molecule, because of the solute molecule concentration, solute molecule size is very high. Now what is the examples of this semi-permeable membrane? Semi-permeable membrane example is the animal membrane. Animal membrane are cellophane and Cu2Fe CN6, that is called as copper ferrocyanate. Okay friends, Cu2Fe CN6, copper ferrocyanate, cellophane and animal membrane. These are the examples of the semi-permeable membrane. Okay friends, this is the concept of the osmosis and diffusion. Okay friends, please remember these 2 points. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is arise. Okay friends, what is osmosis and what is diffusion? Now I am going to talk about the osmotic pressure. osmotic pressure. Friends, you have to understand a diagram. The diagram is like this. Okay friends, you have to understand this diagram first of all. Okay friends, this is the semi-permeable membrane. This is the semi-permeable membrane, SPM. Okay friends, I am represented to the, okay friends, this is diagram. You have to understand this diagram. Now this is the solvent and this is the solution. This is solvent, is pure solvent. Okay friends, now what is osmosis? Osmosis is the solvent molecules passes to the semi-permeable membrane, but solid molecules cannot passes because of the solid molecule size is very high. Now the pure solvent, this direction is molecules is momentum. Now this process is called as osmosis. Okay friends, now what is osmotic pressure? First of all, you have to understand the definition of the osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is the net moment of solvent molecules from solvent to solution. The net moment of solvent molecules from solvent to solution can be stopped by applying some extra pressure over solution side. Okay friends, what happens friends? The momentum of solvent molecules. Okay friends, this direction is the pure solvent molecules is momentum of the solution side. What happens friends? Stopped of this momentum by applying some extra pressure over solution side. Okay friends, this is the solution. Now this is the solution is the extra some pressure. Now this is the piston is present in there. This piston is some extra pressure is applied to this piston. What happens friends? This solvent molecules momentum is stopped. It means the osmosis is stopped. Okay friends, what happens friends? Osmosis is stopped. Okay friends, extra pressure over solution side, which stops osmosis, that is called as osmotic pressure. This osmotic pressure is represented to the pi. Okay friends, what is the definition of the osmotic? Osmotic pressure is the extra pressure over solution side which stops the osmosis, that is called as osmotic pressure, or the net momentum of the solvent molecules from solvent to solution to stop by applying some extra pressure over solution side in the presence of semi-permeable membrane, that is called as osmotic pressure. Simply definition of the osmotic pressure is the extra pressure over solution side which stops the osmosis, that is called as osmotic pressure. This osmotic pressure is represented to the pi. Okay friends, this osmosis process is stopped when they applied some extra pressure. That pressure is also called as osmotic pressure. For example, in case the process of the osmosis, you have to apply the more pressure. Okay friends, whenever the more pressure is applied to this solution side, what happens friends? The process is reverse osmosis takes place. Okay friends, the process is reverse osmosis takes place. What is reverse osmosis friends? Reverse osmosis is you have to apply more pressure. Okay friends, it means to stop the osmosis, then you have to apply more pressure. Now the solution to the solvent is this direction is the momentum is takes place. Now this process is called as reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis example is the Desalination is the example of the reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis desalination is example. It means sea water is converted to the pure water. That is called as water purification. Okay friends, reverse osmosis is an example of the water purification. Okay friends, this is the concept of the osmotic pressure. This is clear friends. First of all, this is arise. Okay friends, what is osmotic pressure? Now we have to understand this diagram. Friends, this is the piston. Friends, you have to understand this diagram. This is the this pressure is the P atm. This is the atmosphere pressure plus pi. Pi is the extra pressure. This pressure is called as osmotic pressure. This side is the solvent. Solvent is the this is the P atm. Okay friends, this is the atmosphere pressure. This is the atmosphere pressure and this is the atmosphere pressure. This is called as pi. This pi is called as extra pressure. This pressure is called as osmotic pressure. You have to understand this diagram. What happens friends? In experimentally this osmotic pressure is directly proportional to the molarity. It means this osmotic pressure is only this extra pressure is directly proportional to the number of moles of solute by volume of solution. This osmotic pressure is only depends upon the molarity. What happens friends? The pi is directly proportional to the number of moles of solute by volume of solution in later, that is called as molarity. Okay friends, this pi is only depends upon the number of moles of solute. This is called as colligative properties. In another, this pi is directly proportional to the temperature in Kelvin. Okay friends, this pi is directly proportional to the molarity and pi is directly proportional to temperature. Finally, pi is directly proportional to the molarity into temperature and pi is equal to the some constant. The constant is this m is represented to the concentration C and RT. Okay friends, this pi is equal to the CRT. Now this R is called as solution constant, that is called as universal gas constant. This T is called as temperature in Kelvin. This is called as absolute temperature and this is called as osmotic pressure, and the C is the molarity and concentration. Okay friends, this is called as osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure pi is equal to the CRT. C is the molarity and R is the gas constant. The gas constant value is R is equal to the 0.082 atm into liter per mole Kelvin. This is the gas constant value. Okay friends, this is the concept of the osmotic pressure. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.